Welcome to the channel. Wishing you a joyful day filled with positive energy. Today, let's relax and propagate this beautiful white rose cutting, using completely natural ingredients. Which country are you watching from? Thank you for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, so you won't miss future helpful tutorials. I'm glad to know this video has been valuable to you. In today's tutorial, we will use a common kitchen ingredient, carrot, as a natural rooting stimulant for rose cuttings. Peel the carrot, blend it thoroughly using a blender. Carrots contain a variety of nutrients beneficial for root development, including vitamins, minerals, and natural antioxidants. These compounds help stimulate new root formation and support healthier growth of the cutting. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the blended carrot mixture. After mixing thoroughly, let the solution sit for about 1 hour to allow the nutrients to blend and activate effectively. After 1 hour, strain the mixture to extract the liquid and discard the carrot pulp. Prepare a small plastic cup and a roll of toilet paper to create a moist growing medium for the rose cutting. Pour the carrot and honey solution into the prepared growing medium. Cover the cutting with a plastic bag to maintain humidity and prevent bacterial and insect contamination. Allow the cutting to root for about 7 to 10 days, keeping the growing medium consistently moist and placing it in a location with indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight. After 7 to 10 days, check the cutting. If new shoots and roots have started to develop, you can remove the plastic bag and transplant the rose cutting into a suitable pot for further care. After cutting the stem, sprinkle a small amount of cinnamon powder on the cut end to prevent rot and protect the young cutting from harmful bacteria and fungi.